Hey everybody, check this out. Here we've got a really cool climbers, they call it, climber truck, four-wheel drive, like a rock crawler. It's got a really cool finish on it. When I get it out of here, you'll see the metal bits on it really look great. 2.4 control. Here's a little picture about the transmitter. It's got shocks. Some cool options here. A little more on the transmitter. Alloy world. So we'll get it out of here and we'll show you what all comes in the box. Okay, here's your charger. If you're in the US, you're going to need an adapter for that. I don't know if you can see the plug on that guy there for the battery in the truck. Here is your transmitter. Nice looking transmitter. Power switch here. You're going to take 3 AA's for that. And here is the truck. Really cool looking. I don't know if you can see the cool reflection. It's got a nice metallic paint on it. It's kind of a metal truck. Really cool. It's got a spare tire. Looks like all the rest of them. You can see the underneath. Here will be your steering trim. It's got a manual steering trim. See the little drive lines there that are for looks. There's motors actually in the front and rear end. And here's your battery pack, NiCad battery pack. And your on off button. Turn that off. So there it is. It's pretty soft suspension. I figured this would be a lot of fun to run in the house. I think it's going to be great. My kid is going to love it. He loves to drive my bigger crawlers, so I think this will be a lot of fun for him as well. So you can see it's got pretty good flex, so it should be fun going up over things. So I'm looking forward to playing with that. So we'll get it charged up, we'll get it out in the field, and we'll come back and show you guys how it works. Okay everybody, we got her charged up. We're out here in the field. We're going to do a little driving, see if I can drive and video at the same time. Got the transmitter, got the car. One thing to note here is about how proportional it is. You'll see it's all or nothing. So the wheel doesn't do anything around the center, same with the throttle. And once you hit the end, it like hits a switch which makes it go. So you can see the throttle too doesn't go until you hit the very end. So anyways, here's how it works. Handles grass really well. Nice. A little tricky driving one-handed, but it's working okay. Do a little range check. Goes really far away. That's pretty cool. No, not gonna crawl up there. Nice. Almost. Did her. All right. There you go, everybody. There's our first run on the truck. As you can see, it's a lot of fun. It covers some ground pretty well and goes over some bumps and grass, and you can have a good time with it in the house and out in the yard. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know what you think down below in the comments.